KashKick is a rewards platform where users complete available activities to earn rewards, but the real value depends on how well those activities fit your time and expectations. After a 90-day review, the main thing to evaluate is not just the reward total. It is how easy the platform is to use, how consistent the available opportunities are, and whether the effort feels reasonable for you. By the end, you'll know what to check during a KashKick review, what signs show whether it fits your routine, and how to decide if you should keep using it. The first area to review is task availability. KashKick works around completing different activities offered through the platform. Your experience can change depending on what opportunities are available when you use the service. A good review looks at whether you regularly find activities that match your interests and available time. The second area is time versus reward. A reward platform should be judged by the relationship between the work required and the benefit you receive. Track the activities you complete, how long they take, and whether the experience feels worth repeating. This gives you a clearer picture than looking at rewards alone. The third area is usability. Check how simple it is to navigate KashKick, understand task requirements, follow completion steps, and keep track of your progress. A platform can have opportunities available, but the user experience matters because confusing instructions can make tasks harder to complete. After using KashKick over a longer period, you can also see patterns that are harder to notice after only one session. You can compare which activities you prefer, which ones take more effort, and whether the platform fits naturally into your schedule. The right question is not whether KashKick works for everyone. The better question is whether it works for your specific situation. Someone with extra time and patience may have a different experience than someone looking for quick and simple activities. To review KashKick properly, test the platform yourself, record your experience, and decide based on the effort required and the results you see. The key points are simple. KashKick is a rewards platform based on completing available activities. Your experience depends on the opportunities you choose, and tracking your own results is the best way to judge its value. Your next step is to try the platform with realistic expectations and review your experience after consistent use. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and earning platform guides.